What are you doing? Oh, you finally gave up, huh? And decided to swat those gnats. When I don't have a camera, that's what I do. Just grab a branch and wave it back and forth, and then they don't get in my mouth. Of course, if I'd shut my mouth, they wouldn't get in there either. Yeah. Horses are snorting a little, so they must be getting in there too. It's okay. We'll be fine. I'm just videoing now. I'm just videoing a little bit now. And a good girl, Piper. Oop, I think she's got her nose working again. I said, I think she's got her nose working again. She got down on the ground and she's off. Piper, that's far enough. Good girl. That's far enough. Good girl. Yep. I don't know what you're going after. I don't want it to be black and white. Good girl. Good stop. Good girl. Oh, she's got her nose on the ground again. I hear bells in the woods. What are you going after? Get it, get it, get it. Get it. Ooh, what's this? Can you figure out? There you go. Let's not stir up the bees. Keep going. Stay out of the woods. Out of the trees. You just thought she was getting tired, Richard. Now she's looking for mice and everything else. Go on, go, go. Good girl. Woo! Okay, let's skate a little bit. Come on. Pacing.